Hey, welcome to Sassy YouTube channel. Let's draw a digger for construction. So here is a shape that you're going to trace and slide it over because I'm going to need some space in front of it. So go ahead and trace it using a pencil. Hold it down with the other hand. Yep, there you go. And now you're going to trace some circles. I traced how many? I traced 4. So you can do 2 if you want, but I thought 4 would look kind of cool. So this is a vertical line. Everybody say vertical. Yep. This is a horizontal line. And this is another vertical line. And this is a diagonal line. And here's a horizontal line. Say horizontal. That's right, horizontal. Great. So here are some little details that you can add to yours. Yeah. Oop, there's the circle. I'm just going to draw a little bit high up and further away. And then connect. Cool. Alright, draw your lines down, and that's a diagonal, and a little circle, and this is a curved line there, and then connect. Awesome. Ooh, I'm going to just wrap this around. Alright, I think I'm ready for the pen, or the marker, and I'm going to outline it nice and careful, and I can fix things if I want to, and just go over the lines that I think that would look awesome. So, there we go. Looking pretty cool. This is for our theme for our school is construction. So we're going to go ahead, color it in. This is crayons and it looks really awesome. You can choose whatever colors you want, but most of the time they tend to be yellow, white, or orange. Oh, this is black right here and the wheels are black. Awesome. Take your time, fill it in nicely, press down hard. Yep, fill it in. There you go. Ooh, blue for the window. I thought that would look cool. And I'm going to do some ground on the grass. But you can choose what colors you want for your picture. That would be for your digger. Ooh, I like some mountains there, some clouds, and yeah, maybe a sun. So thank you so much for tuning in, liking, and subscribing to my YouTube channel. Enjoy.